How deep we getting there, pard?
Foot and a half. Another half foot to go. This is a U.S. military telegraph office. Telegraph office was actually mostly contractors, and our main job was to keep Washington informed of the movements of the armies. Telegraph operators were as close as they could get to the front without being in battle. Messages received. We also have maps of the lines that are there, because obviously sometimes you didn't have a direct line, so you had to call for a relay to relay a message. We often got the news of the day, and a retreating enemy would do was try to cut the lines. Yes. And so on the field, we have to be able to not only react to building these lines anytime we need to, but also repairing them.
What happens if you put a ramrod down there with the nipple on it?
You got it. There it is.
Thank you, sir.
I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. His grace has brought me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home.
I'm Private Jeff Hooper with the Quartermaster Corps. Our responsibilities are to provide the food, ammunition, tools that the troops are going to need.
Picks, axe, woodworking tools, rope.
That we've procured: salt bacon, potatoes, corn, onions, and government issues the bacon. They are a company, and then have you sign the appropriate requisition so that you'll be able to take the food with you.
Is that coming along?
Oh, that's good.
Ready to drink yet or not?
I'll take that mop wherever she's at. Oh, there she is. When you get down to the end, half turn and sashay on back home.
Take a little cup if you got time, pard.
Yes, sir. So if I burn somebody, it's myself.
Yeah.
About half.
Thank you.
Fixed bayonets, what you're good at, your shoulder arms, and then you go to support arms. March out to your post, okay? 3, your headquarters guard. Number 4, get the very far end of the camp, post number 4 there.
Oh, good.